Okay, so we'll look into this question. It says in a 1000-meter race, Manish gives Ravi a head start of 40 meters and beats him by 19 seconds. If Manish gives Ravi a head start of 30 seconds, then Ravi beats Manish by 40 meters. Find the ratio of Manish's speed to Ravi's speed. So first of all, we'll try to understand the situation. And the situation is pretty interesting. So if I draw the lines, there are two cases, the first one and the second one. Manish reaches the finish line and Ravi, so he is running 1000 meters. This is very intuitive, 960 meters. This is because of the head start of 40 meters. And yet this fellow Ravi loses by 19 seconds. So Ravi still has to cover 19 more seconds. In other words, I can say that if T1 is the time that Manish takes to finish the 1000 meters, this fellow will take T1 plus 19 seconds. Okay. That is the meaning of this question. In the second case, however, it says if 30 seconds head start is given by Manish to Ravi, Ravi reaches the finish point and beats Manish by 40 meters. Also same kind of a situation, 960 meters. But this time around, Ravi is reaching the finish point at T2 plus 30 seconds, that is given by Manish. This fellow, T2 only. Now, if you pay attention, you will realize that both the cases, case number 1 and case number 2, the speeds of Manish and Ravi both has to be same. It is only because of the head start thing, these guys are losing the match one way or the other. So what I can straight away see, if I can equate the speeds of Manish in both the cases. The same thing can be done for Ravi also. Effectively, what I'm trying to say is distance by speed for this fellow Manish is going to be equal in case number 1, is going to be equal for case number 2, which is 960 by T2. This basically gives me a ratio T1 by T2, or let me write it over here, T1 by T2. You can do your cross multiplications and you will get 25 by 24. You can also assume a variable K. This variable K will in fact help me to make my life easier in some other cases if I have to make. So obviously this is expression 1. You can call it expression 1 or whatever. This is for Manish. Similarly for Ravi, the situation holds true, which is the speed in the first case, T1 plus 19 is going to be equal to 1000 by T2 plus 30. But remember, this time we are going to use the ratios in the from the first case. Okay. So let's reduce this. This is 25, this is 24. So cross multiplication, 24 multiplied T2 is 24, 24K plus 30. This is 25. T1 is 25K, 25K plus 90. I hope I haven't made any error. Let me check once. Okay, so give me 1 second. Okay, so there is a silly error. 24 ka square is 576. I hastily did it as 576. So when you subtract 625 from 576 from 625, we'll get 49, not 149. And this value will come out to be, let's do it, 245. So now K is equal to, if you do it, I think this will go 5 times. Yeah, 5 9s are 45, 4, yeah, correct. So K is equal to 5. This is a very interesting thing. So T1 by T2, I have got the value as 125. I'm just substituting the value for K, 125 by 120. So these are the actual seconds. Okay, these are the actual seconds. So what exactly have they asked you? They have ratio of the speed of Manish to Ravi, distance by time 1000 by 125. For Ravi, it is going to be 960 by 144. Now let's try to do this. This is 25 and this is 24. 24 will cut this, I think, by 6, and 5 will cut this by 5, which is the 6 will go to the numerator, 6 by 5. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.